Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to make for you chicken kadai. In this chicken kadai, I created a new recipe. I've seen last 40 years same recipe. I thought I should make a completely new recipe. This is spicy, delicious, colorful. Combination of a organic bell peppers, 3 different mushroom, onions. For this spicy chicken dish, I am using coriander seed and chilli flakes. I made so easy this recipe, so you can easily make. Try it. Let's start. Let's come with me and start cooking. Cut onions in a slice. Make it thin slices. Heat kadai, add oil and onion slice. Cook it for 2 minutes. I add one small onion also. It gives a completely different taste. You will see when you make this dish. Coriander seeds and dry chilli. Chop garlic, finely chopped, and goes to the kadai again and cook it for 2 minutes. This is the time you see your onion color is changing. Now we'll cut red pepper, yellow pepper and green peppers. This will also go in dish and we'll cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Chili peppers, coriander powder, cumin powder and turmeric. Add seasoning, salt. Mix it well. Now to add your chicken cubes. I make a small size of a chicken cubes so it can cook faster. Mix it well. Cook it for 7 minutes. Add your tomato sauce and mushroom. Again cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now your dish is going to be complete. Check the temperature of your chicken. It should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit and above. Add cilantro and ginger julienne. Oh my God, so hot. This is chicken kadai. Simple way, not too much ingredients. Oh yes, this is good. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked my video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you next Saturday, same time with another super dish. See you. Take care.